Hey everyone! Do you remember our last ocean adventure? Today, we've got a fun quiz to help you learn even more about the sea creatures we met. Do you remember all of our ocean friends? Let's dive in and try the quiz. Look! Who's coming up next? Can you get the answers right? Let's get started. Which animal is covered in scales? A. Fish. B. Octopus. A. Fish. Which animal has long tentacles? A. Jellyfish. B. Whale. A. Jellyfish. Which animal can change colors? A. Crab. B. Squid. B. Squid. Which animal breathes through gills? A. Sea urchin. B. Fish. B. Fish. Which animal has a large fin on its back? A. Shark. B. Sea turtle. A. Shark. Which animal can camouflage itself? A. Octopus. B. Dolphin. Octopus. Which animal is known for having a beak? A. Penguin. B. Octopus. B. Octopus. Which animal has spines on its body? Sea urchin. B. Dolphin. A. Sea urchin. Which animal is known for making pearls? A. Oysters. B. Lobster. A. Oysters. Which animal can walk sideways? A. Crab. B. Sea turtle. A. Crab. Which animal is famous for jumping out of water? A. Dolphin. B. Starfish. A. Dolphin. Which animal is related to jellyfish? A. Sea anemone. B. Shark. Sea anemone. Which animal has a blowhole? A. Whale. B. Shrimp. A. Whale. Which animal can squirt ink? A. Seahorse. B. Squid. Squid. Which animal uses its fins to glide through water? A. Fish. B. Starfish. A. Fish. Which animal is known for having two large claws? A. Dolphin. B. Crab. B. Crab. Which animal can live in both fresh and salt water? A. Jellyfish. B. Salmon. B. Salmon. Which animal attaches itself to rocks? A. Mussel. B. Octopus. A. Mussel. Which animal is called the clown of the sea? A. Clownfish. B. Crab. A. Clownfish. Which animal is very slow moving? A. Sea cucumber. B. Dolphin. A. Sea cucumber. Wow, great job everyone! Did you learn even more about our ocean friends? But don't worry, the adventure isn't over yet. So don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.